Hi, it's Manny from Garage Tech, and actually today I wanted to talk with you about a question that actually people ask me quite a lot. A lot of people are interested in a wooden garage door, a garage door that's made from wood. And usually, because it looks nice and your house looks fancy and your neighbor wants it and everybody wants it, but there's a lot of reasons not to do it. A, because it's expensive as hell. It's probably 4 times as much expensive than a regular metal garage door. B, the maintenance is expensive, meaning every few years you need to stain the door. When it gets wet on the bottom, the wood expands and then you need to replace the bottom section. The springs are very expensive, usually they're custom springs. And for example, if you need to replace a part, if you back up and you hit your garage door and you want to replace one section, it's almost impossible because those are handmade. There isn't a factory that makes wooden doors. So there's many reasons that people think it's cool and nice, but in the end when you own it and you're stuck with it, it's not that fun. I have a lot of customers that replace it to wooden doors and then they're sorry afterwards. So I'm not here just to give you problems, I'm also here to give you solutions. So the solutions. The solution number one that we have, and it's the best solution, today you could get doors that are made from metal. This is a sample. For example, a door that's made from metal and it's sealed back. The minute it's top of the line, it's almost bulletproof. And your neighbors would never know that it's unless somebody comes and knocks on it, nobody's gonna know that it's not a wooden door. So first of all, it costs probably like 1/3 of a wooden door. The maintenance is much cheaper. You don't have to stain it. If somebody backs up and hits the bottom section, for example, you could replace it. The springs that you have on them are common. For example, on wooden doors, usually you have 4 custom springs. Usually that's $1,000 job. When you have 2 regular springs, that cuts it cuts the repair by 60%. So in many ways, people don't think about it, but then after they put it in, they pay 3 times for the door, and then they need to pay 3 times for the repair afterwards. So maybe it looks cool, but just from my experience, I would highly recommend to do this. And as you see, just for example, I have, you could choose whatever color you want, whatever designs you want. You could put handles on it. You could put whatever you want. And this is only like a small part of colors. You could put handles, there are different designs, windows. You could get so far with a much smaller budget with a metal door that looks like wood, and it's gonna be safer, easier, and cheaper. So that's it. I hope I helped you with your decision. Thank you very much.